Exactly 365 days ago, I started a faceless shorts automation channel. As of now, the channel has over 65K subscribers, and I've earned more than $100 in the last 28 days. My initial goal was simple: upload 100 shorts as quickly as possible to get the channel monetized. But little did I know that I would monetize this channel primarily through one short. Yes, you heard that right. My most popular short has over 19 million views, and from this single short I gained 27K subscribers and 1.5 million views in just 24 hours. Not only that, but I can also monetize 2 channels with the earnings from this short. In the last 90 days, I've earned $4,111, all by uploading faceless and voiceless shorts. I'm not boasting, but sharing my journey to prove that if you watch this video to the end, you too can start your own channel and potentially earn even more than I did. This niche is unique, and I don't see anyone else working in it like I am, which is why I succeeded so quickly. Although I was hesitant to reveal my process due to growing competition, I consider this channel like a family project, and there's no point in hiding it from family. Also, 2 weeks ago, I started another U.S.-based automation channel, which already has around 200K subscribers. I'm planning to give this channel away to one lucky viewer of this video. What you'll learn. Step 1. Finding a niche. To find a niche, you can use tools like ChatGPT or Metaik, but I took a third approach. In this video, I'll share the A to Z process of building a channel, creating viral scripts, generating monetizable AI voices, editing them, and much more, all with live proof. So, let's dive in. Many YouTube creators copy US content into Hindi and earn millions. I did the reverse, converting Hindi stories into English scripts. Here's how I did it. I searched for popular Hindi story playlists and saved 6 to 7 videos. I copied the story links, pasted them into a browser, and translated the scripts into English. Tip: if the video language is English, translate it to Hindi and vice versa. Step 2. Crafting the script. The scripts were initially long, so I used ChatGPT to make them precise for 16-second shorts. I'm sending you a story. Add a strong start, emotional depth, and make it concise for a 16-second short video. ChatGPT provided a short version, but I added more emotional elements to enhance the impact. After a few edits, the script was perfect. Step 3. Generating monetizable AI voices. Not all AI voices are monetizable. I used 11 Labs for voice generation. Open 11 Labs and select a voice. Adjust similarity to 90 and stability to 70. Generate the audio. Edit the voice using tools like Lex Audio to normalize, amplify, and compress it. Add background noise in CapCut to make the voice feel more human and realistic. Step 4. Creating visuals. For visuals, I initially used a paid tool but later switched to free options like FreePic or Nardawai to generate images. Use ChatGPT, create prompts for generating visuals. Paste the prompts into FreePic or similar tools to create HD images. Use CapCut to edit images with zoom and out effects, add captions, and sync with the voiceover. Step 5. Uploading the content. Once your videos are ready, create a new channel but don't upload anything for the first week. Start uploading shorts after 1 week consistently. This proves that you can start your own faceless automation channel and earn well. If you want a detailed step-by-step guide on setting up your channel and making your first short go viral, stay tuned for the big channel giveaway announcement. See you in the next video.